Just airing some frustrations I have with the GL9 PMAGs I got. I had hoped for the same quality I'm used to with Magpul, but was let down. I'm using a Gen 5 Glock 17, first brand new mag, and I had a malfunction, as you can see. Factory mag fed, functioned, and fired exactly how it should. Up next, second mag, the spring got hung up and there was no tension, just loose ammo. I'm going to give these a second try soon. I like Magpul products, usually great quality, reliable, and a good price point.